How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, if you have deleted your draft, what you can do is go to your profile, click on the three lines at the top right, click on Account Center, select your information and permissions at the bottom, export your information. After you click on export your information, click on create export. It will lead you to this page. Select your Instagram account, then export to device. After that, here click on customize information, clear all and only select media. Press on save. Date range last week, as you have deleted the draft recently. Press on save. Scroll down, click on start export, add your Instagram password, and then it will send you in the mail after some hours. You can go to your mail, download the link, and you'll find all your deleted drafts. This is how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.